Hello friends, welcome to my channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you how to delete pages in WordPress website. Okay, so let's start. Just open your website. I have already opened it and this is my dashboard. Let's go to pages, all pages. See, just select the page you want to delete. Let me select this. I want to delete this. I will select this. Click on the button. It will show tick button and click on trash. It will delete it. Trash. And it will delete. The another option to delete pages, let me go to trash just to make it restore. So see, now I have restored my page. Let's delete this page in another way. Click on the page you want to delete. Now you are showing this button, just click on it, move to trash, apply, click on apply button. Now this page will go to trash. Now click on trash, you can see it's in trash. Okay, so this is the way how to delete a page or pages in WordPress website. So friends, if you have any query, just write it down in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it for the more such videos. Thank you.